And the quick shifter macha will tell you it's heaven, dude.
Yeah.
Shit, man.
Yeah, you should have got.
Yeah, bro.
Good.
And guys, here it is, the Ducati V4. What a bike.
Engine legs are paining now.
Yeah, how's the heat?
Heat is still bad.
I missed you a lot, buddy.
He's coming, I think he didn't pick up.
Yeah. It's really comfortable, guys. It's better than Daytona. What now? Ripping and coming?
Did he pass like this?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
I thought if I get a call before I enter the airport, I'll come this way. I just entered and I got a call.
Start your bike. Damn you, Yatish.
Don't upload what I'm going to tell you.
No, bro, I'll switch off. Wait. And that's the beauty of Ducati V4. When Vignesh met me, he was crying because the heat is so bad on that bike. Your thighs will become thigh ghee roast. The dash. People look at Ducati as if they are looking at Sunny Leon. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's been a long time, and today I am with my friend Vignesh, who is riding a Ducati V4. He is ahead of me, and the bug is back after a long time. Yes, sorry there was no content of the Superbike on my channel. It was 2 months almost, and today I got my bike from wall clearance. I will tell you why the delay. Yes, today we are on a evening ride, and with me is Vignesh. You might have seen him in my previous videos on the Triumph RS. So today he is riding his friend's Ducati V4. I will tell you why Ducati V4 today. Basically, his friend who stays in Delhi, it is his bike which Vignesh is riding today. Beware of this kind of people. Yeah, so he sent the bike, he shipped the bike from Delhi to Bangalore a week prior through VRL, and Vignesh went to Dabaspet and took the delivery from VRL, and he straight away came and met me. So we are on a evening ride. Like I said before, we are meeting Yatish near Devnalli toll. Summer in Bangalore, it's very humid, so we thought of riding in the evening. Anyways, I wanted to test the bike. So one update guys, I have installed the most awaited performance part on the bug. It is the quick shifter. Look at that bike, shoot dude. Yeah, I have installed the quick shifter on this bike, and I will show you the magic of that small particular device. So right now we are almost near airport toll, and just look at that. What a bike. It looks good but not practical in city. When Vignesh met me, he was crying because the heat is so bad on that bike. Your thighs will become thigh ghee roast. It's best ridden on the highway, and even more better if it's ridden on the track. It's a track bike guys. What else can you expect? But beautiful bike. And one more thing I noticed, the bike has become really smooth now.
That fucker, that means Yasser has not done a good job.
Bro, the quick shifter I'm enjoying a lot today. It's spot on, man. Crisp.
This is how it should run.
Exactly, bro. It doesn't hesitate to shoot ahead. So guys, now I will show you the quick shifter, how it works. So I set the RPM to 6. Do you see that? That's the beauty of quick shifter. And that's the beauty of Ducati V4.
There's the factor. Left. You still there. 10.
It's low. Fuel.
And it's low.
Okay, we'll air up. So let me show you again the quick shifter. That's the beauty. Now I'm thinking I should have got this before itself when I got the street triple. What a ride, what a day. Riding with my buddies after a long time with the Ducati V4, experiencing the beauty of it only by looking at it. Man, I miss this bike. I'm enjoying, guys. The quick shifter is doing so. Yatish also has a quick shifter on his bike, and me as well. Whoa! All these buggers. See, he's going slow on the right lane. I missed the bug. Look at that quick shifter noise, man. I'm enjoying, guys. I'm enjoying the quick shifter. You beauty. Vignesh is shooting ahead. No clutch. Easy peasy. ತುಂಬ ದಿನ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಬೈಕ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಟಾಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೂಪರಾಗಿದೆ.
ಅದು ಅವನು ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ ಬಂದ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೋ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್. ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಥ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅದು ಥ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೈಕ್. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಕೆಟ್, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ
ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 15-16 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಸಾಕಲ್ವಾ ಅಷ್ಟು?
ಸಾಕು.
Bro, so what we'll do is we'll go to that hotel. You remember that time we had been to the hotel when Aditya got the exhaust?
Yeah.
That hotel, we'll go back till there, we'll go back home.
Yeah.
I have to go back to Jude also to get the suspension done. That's why.
It'll be too late otherwise.
Yeah, we'll do a proper ride on Sunday. Yeah, we'll take it slow from now on because there is no point of ripping the bike because you see traffic and I don't want to take the risk, and it's evening time, so let's be safe. The C project is psych, dude. Look at that Ducati shoot ahead. Here's the hotel. We will be having a cup of tea and we will move back to Bangalore. I am damn hungry. I will do some pet puja. What's Anisha, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೈಕ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡು, ಐಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡು. Same.
I did some more research on that camshaft. Turns out now it started making this noise, no?
Yeah.
You have to rip it a little bit.
Yeah.
And then it will move to the next notch. And then the sound goes away.
That's it, guys, for today's video. So see you in my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.